Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the new Mary Kay eye patch gels. I have them on right now. I don't know if you can notice, but they stay on so well. I'm just about to go work out. I have my workout gear on, and we're going to talk quickly about what these are. So I'll show you what the package looks like. So this is what it looks like minus the demo. That's just me. But so those are the hydrogel eye patches. So they're meant, clinically shown to instantly boost skin hydration. It cools and soothes the under eye, and it helps with the look of puffiness and dullness. So yeah, so how it works, let's see here. Let's open it up. It's cute because they have little instructions on the inside. It's pretty simple. So it comes with a little spatula, you'll see after. So you lift it with a spatula, you apply to the under eye, and it shows you how exactly to put them on. And then it says you wait 20 minutes and you massage into skin. So when you take them off, there's a little excess that you can massage in that disappears right away. So it tells you the directions in the inside fold here. So yeah, let me try to open this up with one hand. So there's an extra spatula in here usually, but I don't have mine. So when you open it up, it looks like this. So there's a spatula on top. You want to make sure you always keep this top on, this part on, because it keeps it locks the moisture in the patches. So voila, this is what they look like. And then, so yeah, it says you open the jar and you'll see a shimmery patches, and then you use a spatula, scoop it out, place it on clean under eye skin, and then you wait 20 minutes, then remove the patches and discard them. So you get 30 of these. You get 30. So I'm trying to do this with my left hand, which I'm not the best at being left-handed. So yeah, that's how you use them, guys. So this is the most exciting product for me. I'm so excited. I love these. I use them more than twice a week, but they say to use them twice a week for 20 minutes, and that should do the trick. You should see a difference, especially in the puffiness. Did you guys see the before and afters? Amazing. So the Mary Kay Hydrogel eye patch.